Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Yongsa Tea. I am Jerome Montehar, the owner of Yongsa Tea here at Jacinto Street, Davao City. This afternoon, I will introduce to you to one of our specialty here at Yongsa Tea, which is the Chungla Itum. The Chungla Itum is actually a Tausug delicacy. Came from the Sambasulta area. And it's very unique because it's a black soup. Came from a burnt coconut. So at this point in time, I'm going to start with boiling our soup base, which is 6 liters of water. So, kulang pa. Dagdagan ko pa siya. Then after which, pag puno na, actually I'm measuring so this is 6 liters of water, measuring pichel. Then you start to on the fire. So, antayin muna natin kumulo. While doing it, let's prepare first our ingredients, main ingredients. We have here our 2 kilos of beef. Then, for which, we're going to blend. Let's set aside this first. So, habang nagpapakulo tayo ng tubig, let's blend first our 23 pieces na tinatawag nilang chili espada or yung malalaki na chili. It's very affordable here in Davao. Then, 1 whole round of garlic, fresh. Put it in a blender. 2 rounds of onions. No need to chop them thinly kasi gagamit naman kayo ng inyong blender machine. Then, two thumbs size of ginger, chop nyo lang siya. Pwede, bahala kayo kung gusto nyo malaki o maliit. Okay, just chop it thinly para hindi naman mahirap sa blender pag-chop niya doon. Then, 2 thumb size of fresh turmeric. Okay. So, lagay nyo dyan. Tapos, dagdag tayo ng tubig. By the way, I'm using the blender pot para mabilis yung pagkalaga ng beef niya. Okay? Blender muna natin. Okay. Ayan. Blend it. Kailangan pino-pino talaga siya para kung makuha na natin yung texture niya. Now it's done. Let's set aside. Then we'll saute this first. What we're going to do is okay. So going to get an konting oil. Okay. So, antayin natin siyang uminit. So, medyo matrabahoso lang talaga yung chula ito. After this, actually we have the burnt coconut. Okay. So once mainit na yung sa pressure cooker na pot, load in the chunk of it. Sautein nyo lang siya. After sauteing the beef, actually I'm using a pure lean meat, and this came from one of my halal supplier here in Davao City. Murang-mura. So, hindi ka mahihirapan. Just saute it. Saute. Dito. Lapit dito para makita naman ng mga audience natin kung paano. Okay. So, saute lang natin kunti. Sa maliit na oil. Medyo kailangan ma-saute natin sa mga 5 to 15 minutes. So this is the process of making chula itom, na medyo talagang masabi natin kailangan ng pasensya sa pagluto nito. Kung susundin natin, okay. At this point in time, ito na. Here at Yongsa Tea, we observe the preparation accordingly to the Tausug people, how it's done. Kaya ito, sinasatay muna natin yung beef muna. Actually, you can saute this more para yung concentrate ng marinate pag i-load natin na may yung blender natin ginawa. Medyo masasabi nating takam na takam siya. So, ayun. Nasatay na natin siya. So, this is how we make our version of our chula itong. So after this, we will load up our marinated, our blender ingredients. Load up natin. Okay. So load it up. Yun. So malabas na yung tubig niya. Oh. So, yung pagkaluto niya will depend on how it's being sauteed. So, at this point in time, we're going to prepare 4 cups of water. Oh, it's so hot. 4 cups of water. Yun. Man. Let's just shake para masama natin yung hindi pa na kasama during the marinade. So, medyo mainit na. We're going to add up 125 grams of pamapa itum. Gonna mix it up. So, it will depend on you kung ano yung gusto pang idagdag dito. So, this point in time, medyo may pagkakulang pa. Let's add up. Okay? So, yan po yung itsura niya. That is our chungla itum. By the way, pamapa itum is made up of burnt coconut, a ginger, and asin. And of course, kung may lakwas sana here in Davao, lakwas is a white ginger. Yun yung pang mix up sa pamapa itum. Okay? So at this point in time, since malapit na tayo, we're going to add up our magic syrup. 2 packs. Ayan. Okay. So we're gonna mix it up. Mix tayo. Woo! Ang init. So this is the result. We're mixing it up. Let's slow down the fire while sauteing all the meat. Actually, this is a process in which you concentrate the marinade inside the whip. Actually, so after that, we're putting in 3 grams of Ajinomoto to come up the umami flavor. So that's 3 grams. Then we'll mix it up. Oh boy. I wish you're here para ma-amuin nyo. This is how we do our Chula Itum version of Yongsa tea. So, see? Yun. Perfect. What we're going to do right now is that we're going to close down the fire. Then, we'll start using our pressure cooker. Pressure cooker natin siya for 10 minutes. So, after that, open ulit yung fire. On a slow fire for 10 minutes. So, by 10 minutes, habang kumukulo na yung pinakuluan natin, we're going to add up our bundle of lemongrass. Okay? Huwag kalimutan. Nung kumulo na siya, let's load up our lemongrass. So, pakuluan muna natin yon. Grabe kainit. Pero it's okay. Para, actually, you'll appreciate our Chula Itum version of Yongsa tea here at Davao City. So, welcome to my small kitchen. And I was visited here previously by Commander Daot. And he loves the Chula Itum version of Yongsa tea. That's why ngayon, so, ang dali gawin pala ng pamapaitom. Actually, you just need to burn it. After burning it, add a blender ginger. Oy, sorry. May kulang. Nagkamali ako. I forgot to add the water. Muntika na. But anyway, sige lang. So, we're almost done with the process. Hindi pa siya 10 minutes. Nakalimutan ko dagdagan yung water during pressure cooker. So, ayun. So, antayin muna tayo. Let's just pop up the excess hangin sa loob ng pressure cooker. And after that, we're going to still cook here. Pagka nababa na, okay, yun. We're going to add our 4 cups of water. Ayun. So, after the 4 cups of water, let's bring it back. Okay. Pressure cooker natin ulit for 10 minutes. Yun. Okay. Ten minutes. Tayin natin. Okay, we're almost done. Parang kumukulo na. Ayun. Isang container. Medyo kumukulo na yung ating 6 liters of boiling water, which we load up our lemongrass. Now we're going to add 6 cubes of beef. Okay. So, 6 cubes of Knorr beef. Let's just load it up. So, while waiting for the pressure cooker, nasaan yung main concentrate natin. So we're going to add up 6 beef cubes. Okay. So, takpan natin ulit. Ang init ng kitchen ko, but anyway, it's worth promoting Tausug delicacies here in Davao City. Actually, I came up with the concept of coming up Yong Sati here in Davao because of the mere fact that some of the tourists are not really keen in going to Zamboanga City. That's the very reason that I tried my best to fully know how to make these Tausug dishes so that it will be appreciated here in Davao City, which tourists flocks in during summer vacation. So aside from the food that I am offering here, the chunlay tum, I have also my beef pulma, my famous Yong Sati here in Davao. It's an authentic timpla, kumbaga. I've been here for all 3 years and a half. And luckily, it was really accepted here in Davao City. Kaya for the Muslim brothers and sisters that we have here in Davao City, it's really available. And I can guarantee you that how the food is being prepared is in a halal tradition. I don't use hindi halal na ingredients for the matter. So, okay. Ready na to siya. Nandiyan na yung beef cubes. Let's slow down the fire. Ayun. While waiting for the 10 minutes na 10 minutes na pressure cooking time. Ang init, pero it's still worth. So, aside from the other dishes that is available in Yong Sati, we have the beef sati. It is only 97 pesos. May kasama na yun siyang 8 ounce na soft drinks. At 250 grams na sati sauce. 3 pieces of beef. And of course, it's up for you to appreciate it. We have also our chicken sati. And it comes with a big chunk of chicken size part. My breast, my wings, my thigh, and my drumstick. We have also a 250 grams na sauce. And we have also our famous puso. Puso actually is the one being used in preparing our sati. Kasi medyo buo pag i-chop mo siya. Then of course we have our Coke, and I'm promoting Coke right now because I'm using Coca-Cola products here in Davao City. Tied it up with my sati, and it's only 98 pesos as of the moment. Secondly, I have also my beef pulma, my chula itom. I have also my daral, which is a Tausug side dish. It's a dessert. It's made up of flour crepe with bukayo sa loob. So it's a sweet coconut inside, wrapped in a flour crepe. Then it serves, it's only 12 pesos. Aside from that, I have also my pastil. Pastil is very different from Zamboanga City actually. When you talk of pastil, I'm talking of pastil in Zamboanga City because may bihon siya and may tauge. But the sauce may katamis na maanghang konti. Aside from that, pag sinabi mong kasing pastil in Davao, the famous one that comes into their mind is yung kanin na with the chicken flakes. It's Magindanaoan or Maranao delicacy. So mostly the store is promoting Tausug delicacy right now. So I'm very glad and happy to bring you Yong Sati. And at the same time, prepared also some of the Tausug dishes. Actually, the ones I'm preparing are the easy to make and affordable sa mga estudyante. That's why it comes up with a budget meal. So aside from this, you are very welcome to come here at Yong Sati. We're located at number 80 Jacinto Street, Maghinay Building, Jacinto Street, Barangay 24C, Davao City. You can call us also at 0899. Or kung tinatamad kayo and you don't want to come here at Yong City, you can tap your Food Panda, which is available kami doon. Okay? What else? Aside from that, we will do arrangements with you for your delivery orders in Davao City using our Maxine, or you can tap Grab Pabili for your delivery. So, again, I have limited cost of delicacy here in my store, which is very worth. And after this, I'll be preparing the dishes. Pag natapos na natin lutuin, only 4 minutes more to go para makita nyo na naman paano namin ginagawa yung aming tula itub. So, at this point in time, since kumukulo na yung ating what we call this, ating sabaw, na yung broth natin, we'll load up another 125 grams dun sa sabaw. Okay, kumukulo na siya. Load up tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 125 grams of pamapa ito, which we loaded up. Okay. Ayun. Getting ready. Okay, ready? And that's how we do our black soup, which is tumla ito. Pakisabi, yung dalawang puso, ilagay sa plato. And our bowl, na pwede paglalagyan ng soup. Because we're going to do preparing na ito kasi malapit na tayo matapos. Okay. Ayan. Almost done. Impit na natin. Okay. Almost done. Okay. It's almost 10 minutes. Tapos na tayo. Okay. I'm going to close this down. Ayan. So, mapit na tayo matapos. Ayan. Yung bowl niya din. Bowl. Okay. We're almost done. Ayan, luto na ang ating beef. So what we're going to do right now is just merge it to the boiling black soup, which is natimpla naman din natin ito. We'll just add up some spices. That would depend kung ano yung panlasa niya. So titimplahan lang natin konti as the need would arise. We're just trying to pop up the excess air inside our pressure cooker. And after that, lalagay na natin siya doon. I-merge natin siya doon sa ginawa nating soup. Okay? So, we're ready enough. Ayun. Once it's done, This is how we make our Chula Itum version at Yong Sati. Ayun, malapit na. So we're going to start up boiling this again in a slow fire. Yun, dahan-dahanin natin. Once it's done, ayun. It's already done. I'm going to open this up. Okay, it's done. I'm going to mix this up. Mix natin. Ito na yung result niya. Nag-mix na yung totally nag-merge na siya at na-marinate ng mabuti na yung karne natin, yung beef natin. And after that, we're going to load this up sa pinakulo nating beef stock. So we're just loading this up. Okay. We're going to mix this up. So see, ang ganda ng Chula Itum natin. This is the version of Yong Sati's Chula Itum. Ayun. So, tikman natin. We'll just okay. Pakuluan lang natin konti. Then we will start the preparation. The black soup actually may kaanghang, maanghang siya konti. Hindi siya yung tipong hindi ko rin masabing mild talaga yung anghang niya. But it will depend how you're going to appreciate yung anghang delicacy ng mga Tausug people. So, malapit na. So, dagdagan natin kunting asin. Add up a small portion of salt, rock salt, I would suggest. Minute lang. Ayan. Mix natin. Our Chulang Itum is available every day as the supply will be finished. Okay. Okay, we're done. Sarap. Oh, it's going to plate in. May soft drinks. We're going to plate in. Okay. So, we're loading up our this is ready. Yan. So, this is our version of Chula Itum. This is only 150 pesos. It comes with a 2 puso rice, our Chula Itum in a bowl, And of course, our famous Coca-Cola Sparkler soft drinks. This is only 150 pesos. It's available here at Yong City. And I invite you to come and visit us every day para naman ma-enjoy niyo yung mga tausog delicacies that we're preparing here in Davao City. So again, thank you for your time here at Yong City and for watching my content as of the moment. I feel appreciated and very happy na I was able to share this chula itom recipe with the people here in Davao City and of course around the world, kung saan man ito aabot. So again, good afternoon, and for now, come visit here at Yong City at Long Jacinto Street, Davao City. Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan.